Hi, it's Anne. I'm still experimenting with my different inks that I've got. I've got this Parker Quink, that's to fill up your Parker pens. I don't know how these things will hold up over time. I know the Daler and Brownie and the Liquitex and stuff is light fast and everything. These other ones I'm using, I really don't know. I can't tell you. I haven't used it before like this. But anyways, I'm not going to waste any time. You remember the 2/3 or maybe just underneath your half line. I'm just going to bring in a little bit of water. This one hasn't got a dripper, so I'm just going to use my pipette. I'm just going to soak up a little bit and just drop it in. Let me just see, I can maybe put a little bit more water. I'm always scared to put too much because that's usually my problem, you know. I always put too much water and then it creates a problem for me afterwards. Just want to connect those two. Oh, I like what I see. I love these little thingies they always form when they go into. I'm just gonna slightly help it a little bit. I'm just going to tilt it a little bit just to get it going to the bottom. And maybe to the side. Just want that area to develop more of a horizontal line. You can always take your fine mister. This is just water. And just maybe mist a little bit in the bottom as well. Now I've splattered it everywhere. Usually I use my polystyrene cup too, but it's okay, I don't mind. Just want to make it a little bit of more of a, that's too harsh line for me there. So I'm just going to use my brush and break it up a little bit. Remember to tape it down. Okay, well this is like that. I'm just going to try my luck and go for the top. This bottle isn't working like I thought it would work. Let me just see. Off. No, I don't want to stream. Okay, let's try the spray. Oh my goodness, almost I let that thing fell onto that area there, then I would have cried. Okay, let me just see. I think I'm going to move the tree a little bit to this side and just drop in a little bit of the inks. There's a puddle that's not going to work nicely. Oh, but I like what it's going, what it's doing. It's forming this little tentacles. That I like. Just want to make it slightly thicker there at the bottom. I'm just gonna make a few branches. This ink spreads nice, eh? It's just a pity, I don't know if it's color fast or what do you call it, you know, that word that I can't come now to decide what you call it. Oh my goodness. You just get a piece of paper. Just want to do a little bit of damage control there on top. And maybe a little bit here. This one wants spatters there because I just done it again, so maybe I must just let it be. Okay, now I'm going to take my bamboo skewer. Just try and hold it down, and I'm going to make myself a few branches. I don't like that thick piece there, but it's that I can do nothing on that. I will just say it's my bird nest, you know, a cluster of bird nests or something. Make myself believe that. Just want to make a little bit more texture on the bottom as well. It's one of the things I love about trees is the roots that you don't see. I think I must maybe pick up a little bit here at the bottom. Just see if I maybe do this. Just wanted to flow a little bit more maybe to the bottom. And you can even do it that side as well. Do it maybe flow back into the tree and darken that edge there. I'm going to pick up that bird nest there, it's getting too big. Okay, and for now I think I'm just going to let this dry. I'm just going to fill a little bit. Just pick up some of the inks that's a little bit too much. And try and break up this dark blob I've got going here. Just a little bit. Just want to get a little bit of the ink. I'm just going to keep going like that until I'm satisfied, and then I'm going to dry this one. I think I'm happy. So I'm going to quickly dry this one, and then I will show you what I'm going to do on top of this.